Today, we will see how to prepare a delicious tart with a crispy short crust pastry base and a rich dark chocolate cream, perfect for concluding meals or for a sweet snack. Ingredients for the short crust pastry: 300 grams of type 00 flour, 150 grams of cold butter, 120 grams of powdered sugar, 3 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, and grated zest of 1 lemon, optional. Ingredients for the chocolate cream: 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 milliliters of fresh cream, 50 grams of sugar, if you prefer a sweeter cream, 2 whole eggs, and 30 grams of butter. Start with the short crust pastry. Mix the flour and the cold butter, work the mixture until you get a sandy consistency. Add the powdered sugar, egg yolks, salt, and lemon zest, and knead until you form a smooth ball. Wrap the dough in cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Roll out the cooled short crust pastry and line a previously buttered and floured tart mold. Line the edge of the mold well with the short crust pastry, making sure it adheres perfectly to avoid shrinking during baking. With the rest of the short crust pastry, cut long and thin strips to create the classic lattice decoration. For the chocolate cream, melt the chocolate in a bain-marie and add the butter, stirring until you obtain a smooth cream. Beat the eggs with the sugar, if using, and incorporate them into the chocolate, then add the fresh cream. Pour the cream onto the short crust pastry base. Decorate the surface with the strips of short crust pastry, forming a lattice. Once the strips are arranged, bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss any of our tasty recipes, and visit our website for thousands of other delights. After baking, let the tart cool before unmolding and serving it. Enjoy your meal. Tip: enrich your chocolate tart with nuts or fresh fruit to add a touch of flavor and color to your sweet masterpiece.